Hi and welcome to my channel, and a special thanks to the new subscribers. As many of you know, this pizza celebrated the reunification of Italy in 1889, and the tomato, the mozzarella, and basil represent the three colors of the Italian flag. I start by cutting the fresh mozzarella and I have to taste it. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and become part of this community, and a like helps me a great deal. Taste the cheese to see if the pizza is going to need more. The cheese was perfect, so I don't need to add any more salt to the pizza. I made this pizza 2 consecutive days because it's really good. That's why you will see me with 2 different shirts in this video. I bought the dough in the grocery store and I just waited 15 minutes before stretching it. If not, it will probably come out in pieces. So let the dough rest. I start with the tomato sauce in the center and I extend it from there to the edges. That is a simple tomato sauce, just tomato, oregano, and basil, and a little bit of garlic, itty bitty. Next, I put some fresh basil leaves, and I put more after the pizza is baked. This is such an easy pizza to make, guys. In 30 minutes or less, you'll be having lunch or dinner. Preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. Then add the cheese. A little more cheese is better than less. The pizza has to be cheesy or have enough cheese. Bake for 15 minutes. After the pizza is ready, I add some more fresh basil leaves. The smell is incredible. I can't wait to taste it. Check out my playlists. I have more than 100 different recipes in my channel. And at the end of the video, I will leave 2 thumbnails of how to make the dough for the pizza, a different pizza, and one for the caramelized pears and cheese pizza as well. See, the cheese is just falling apart. Ciao, see you in my next video. Thanks for your time.